I think the live to announce his next album should come like the album, which is incredibly late. So I think it's only fair. Hang on, I'm gonna paste this. I'm gonna make this a pinned comment, all right? Friends, there are many announcements with this today. There are many things. Given
Lot of
that we've
things.
not released a song for
Don't do
11
this.
years,
Don't do this.
I think we have to announce many things. I think the first thing I would want to announce, right? And let me do the honors because I am a Ritviz super fan, and there is a privilege that I have, which is that I get to listen to music before it comes out.
और
And we
लोगों को
want
गुस्सा
to,
करवाओ.
yeah,
Let's make them hate me
yeah.
from the
No,
bottom.
but if you are a Ritviz super fan, you can listen to music before it comes out, right? Like we're extending the privilege. All you got to do is fill out that mailing list that I've
Yeah.
pinned in the comment. If you fill it out, you get the music before everybody else does. It's pretty cool. Just trust me on it. There's a lot of bragging rights. There are many, many dates where you can play the song and look cooler than you actually are. And there's a lot of sex on the table, is all I'm going to say. That's it.
Before we start off with this, Tanmay,
Hmm.
happy World Music Day to everybody. You know.
Happy World Music Day. That's true.
जी हाँ. जी
Do
हाँ.
you do this?
It's
Do you play unreleased music for your friends all the time?
Don't do this. Don't do this. I don't
I'm
understand
asking.
why. You're genuinely asking.
Yeah, do you do this for your
You get
friends?
WhatsApp messages saying, "Hey, what do you think?" And Tanmay's initial response is, "मुझे 3 हफ्ते दे."
Yeah, yeah. Because some songs are, a lot of great songs are like that, right? In fact, we'll actually discuss about some of the songs in a bit. But happy
Yeah.
World Music Day, dude. Do you celebrate World Music Day? Do you do your
आज हम
own thing
सेलिब्रेट ही
everywhere?
तो कर रहे हैं. हमारे पास इतने इतने I don't think it's one announcement. It's a bunch of announcements. So I feel
It's
like
a bunch of
we've
them.
nicely like compressed this for this beautiful day. And आज हम सबको बताएंगे what plan में हम क्या रखें, what is in the bag. So
So should we start with the series of announcements?
I think we should. I think we should. People are dying. People are ready to kill me. So I
All
think we
right.
can definitely
I
start
will
off.
I will launch this question with you. How many songs are we going to listen to on this beautiful occasion of World Music Day? How many pieces of music will be coming out this year?
It's the year of 2021. All right. We're releasing 21 songs.
No way.
21
21
songs.
songs?
21 songs. That's the first announcement. The second announcement following that is 21 songs in 21 weeks. So
Are
every
you
week.
sure you can release 21 songs in 21 weeks?
Listen, मैं बहुत ज्यादा courageously इधर बात कर रहा हूँ, but you know what? After enough thinking, ठीक है, and enough time that I have spent with this music that you've heard for a little while, and also the new stuff that we've been working out, 21 songs in 21 weeks. Every hafte you will get a song. Okay.
21 songs. 21
Yeah.
songs is more than what you have actually
Yep.
released so far. You are doubling your catalog this year. More than that.
Yep. It's a ridiculous
All right.
challenge that I have taken on. And following this, Tanmay, do you want to tell people किनके साथ हम ये कर रहे हैं?
Not
Who are
yet,
the...
not yet. I'm looking
Okay.
at some of the reactions already. Oh my fucking god, oh my fucking god. Whoa, what's going on? Yeah. Guys, I just want to confirm there are actually 21 songs that are ready. And they're fucking amazing. So it's gonna be awesome. Whether it comes out in 21 weeks or something is something that we should wait and think about. All right, because it's tough to put out 21 songs in 21 weeks, but there are 21 songs that are ready.
Yeah.
And these
Yeah.
songs are not just Ritviz songs. They're
Yeah.
collaborative songs, Ritviz, if I'm
जी
not
हाँ.
wrong.
जी हाँ.
Because there's no way this boy will make 21 songs alone. You
That is
need
true.
other people to
That
make
is
the
true.
songs with.
The only reason, Tanmay, this is happening is because of the lovely people that I'm working with, जिनका work ethic के वजह से हम इस position पे आए हैं. ठीक है.
There are
So
21 songs are obviously not in one album.
no. We're
There are two
talking
albums.
2 albums. जी हाँ.
Two albums. You're going to drop two albums back to back.
Yeah.
Okay. Album number 1, right? Who are you?
What? पहला
Sude
album.
Moth?
जी हाँ, जी हाँ.
Why am I acting
देखो,
surprised? I know the songs.
you know, don't do this, Tanmay. Just for the sake of this live, okay? Just please, you've only heard the songs a million times, okay? But हम यहाँ पे
Yeah,
pretend
yeah.
करेंगे कि ये news आपको भी मिल रहा है पहली बार, ठीक है?
सीधे मौत X Ritviz. What is
जी
the
हाँ.
album called? Do you want to announce? Are
We
you
are
allowed
not
to
gonna.
reveal? We're not going to
No,
reveal the name of the album. Okay, cool.
no. That
And
is
how many songs on this album?
again. I
Can't
will
reveal.
not. It's a lot of this. I'm going to tell you. First, we'll quickly talk about the album with Seedhe Maut. Okay,
Yeah,
that's the
yeah.
first album. A big shout out to Seedhe Maut. Okay, सबको यहाँ पे Seedhe Maut OP डाल दो because obviously the gangsters in the business have
Good to good.
successfully made me write an album and finish it. उनके वजह से हुआ ये. Okay, obviously. And the second contender. Okay, second contender. Second album with Nuclear. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Don't
Ritviz
do
X
this.
Nuclear.
Don't do this. Don't act like you worked on the surprise. Okay, cool. All right. Yes, that face is required right now.
It's
That's my second
Ritviz and
album.
Nuclear. Ritviz and Nuclear together in one album.
Yes.
Like you guys
Yeah.
have worked on the songs together. It's not like one-off song with Nuclear. It's like
No.
you and Nuclear have made the album together.
A full album. A full album. Ji haan.
There's you and Seedhe Maut, and there's you and
Yes.
Nuclear. It's two
Yes.
separate albums.
Two separate albums.
Guys, I've heard both albums, and they both are not only wildly different from each other, but they both are bangers. So first, let's talk about the Seedhe Maut album. When did this album happen? In secret.
I think we started
how did you do
working.
this?
It's been a good, I think, 2 years in the making. I know I remember sending you renders, what, last year, early last year. You know, I had like basic idea. We had like, okay, ऐसे इस direction में जा रहा है. But we got done with it. We got done with it in my new city, Goa. यहाँ पे हमने खत्म किया ये album. और
Yeah.
it's crazy. We've reached a point where, you know, like ठीक है, अभी announcement हो रहा है, and obviously this is just the first line of announcements. Soon हम लोग collectively बैठ के बताएंगे what this album is called, when we plan on releasing, and all of that will come एक हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते. Guys, यहाँ पे देख लो आप, वहाँ पे तन्मय ने डाला है.
This is a good time to follow Ritviz, guys. I know you guys will check out his songs once a year, but this is a good time to follow him because there's a whole bunch coming.
You have to stay tuned. You have to stay tuned.
The Seedhe Maut album, Ritviz, has been in the works since I started vlogging. I remember you told me about this album when we were at Weekender.
Yes.
It's been that long in the making, and guys, it's an album where you have never imagined Ritviz this way. Everyone have played the album to my friends saying, "Bro, this is Ritviz," and they're like,
I think that's what's the most exciting thing about this insane challenge that, you know, we've taken up for the rest of the year. The fact that this is not a solo project. They're two projects, two different, distinct sounds, right? Coming together on both albums, and it's a new world. It's a new world that everyone's going to be introduced to, you know. And I can't imagine. I can't wait for people to like just react to this. That reaction is all I'm like dying for, right? Like I know you've been going crazy listening to the music for a while.
I have been, and you know one of the cool things about this album is this. Sorry, you're getting cut. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yeah.
Can hear me now.
Yeah.
One of the cool things that's going to happen with this album, right? I was discussing with Rahul as well. Is that this will be the first time you're putting out an album after IG Reels has become this massive?
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Like the last time we released the album, Reels wasn't this massive.
Wasn't this massive? Yeah.
So this time, guys, this time it's gonna be interesting, and we're saying this on World Music Day, right? Like we're partnering up with Facebook and IG this time for the album, and you're gonna see a lot of music. And just trust me, guys. Like especially the Ritviz Nuclear album is gonna be all over IG Reels. You are gonna be dancing to every fucking song on that album.
Hell yes. Hell yes.
Alright, so you can't reveal the name, right? You can't reveal how many songs in the album.
No. Nope.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit more about the vibe of the album with Seedhe Maut? Then we'll move on to the Nuclear album right after that.
Honestly, I think this I think in depth has to happen with the boys. I think जो मैं अपने end से बोल सकता हूँ कि it's I mean, whoever follows Seedhe Maut here and have heard their music, and obviously हमारे गाने. I think is the very main important point which I also mentioned earlier is that I don't think people have heard something like this. You know, I think in a very long time you will hear just like मतलब अगर दूर से गाना सुना, you know that ये हमारे गाने बज रहे हैं, and it's a new sound, it's a new duo, like a trio in this case. And together it's an exciting new sound, and which is the most exciting thing about obviously the theme of the album and all of that in depth तो हम बात करेंगे ही जब धीरे धीरे announcements और we'll start revealing more stuff. But what people really need to know, and I really want to tell everybody this, that both albums together, it's a force of music. And you know, real quick, Tanmay, if you had to speak just a little bit about the Seedhe Maut album and the Nuclear album, आप अगर बस अगर एक summary अगर आप डाल दो यहाँ.
So here, I'll tell you, here's what's going to happen. You're going to listen to the Seedhe Maut album and you're just going to weep, right? You're just going to cry through the album. I can reveal this much. I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying whether you'll cry through happiness or sadness, but you're just going to cry. And right after that, the Ritviz Nuclear album will play, and then you'll be like, what is this sadness? I need to start dancing. And then you'll continue dancing, and then you'll sleep. Because you'll be tired.
While you're crying. While you're still crying. But you know,
it's a roller coaster of multiple emotions. So anyway, so Seedhe Maut, awesome artists. I've known them for a while, and this album has been worked for a while. Excited. But the second album, right? This feels even more personal, right? Because my introduction to dance music was Udyan.
Right?
And my introduction to Hindustani dance music was Ritviz. And so this combination, which is the OG and, you know, the prodigy coming together, this is going to be something sexy. Tell me about this.
It's a dream. It's a dream come true. You know this. Like, I remember, Tanmay, when I met you. Do you remember when we met? We met at the Raja Baja launch. It was
Raja Baja launch. You were opening for Nuclear. Yeah.
I was opening. I was opening for 6 acts before Nuclear.
Opening. Yeah.
And I think what's insane is that this project has taken over since 2015 we've been working on music, right? And you've been hearing, okay, Udyan and Ritviz have done this and this, and I think this is the year when we said, okay, इस साल हम ये कर रहे हैं, we are putting this out, we're letting people know. बस हो रहा है. इस साल हम लोग बस डट गए कि मतलब 2021 is the year we're gonna put things out, you know, and it's obviously, like I said, just huge for me.
Guys, there's you know, the cool part about the Udyan album is not only it's got songs of Ritviz with Udyan's sound. Like, it's this weird, beautiful combination that actually works, right? Like, Ritviz sings, and Udyan's signature sound is in every song, and it's an amazing combination. Some songs, by the way, have Ritviz, Nuclear, and more collaborations with that. If you thought it doesn't stop, if you thought this is like a massive collaboration, there are other incredibly massive names on this album as well. Are you allowed to reveal that? I don't think you should reveal it. You should let the album come out and tease it.
I think, just to continue on what you were saying, Tanmay, what's really exciting is, I think all of us, every collaborator on here, me, Udyan, Seedhe Maut, all of us have stepped out of our comfort zone, you know, to make this album come to life.
I mean, you literally stepped into Goa and made it, but sure.
Yeah, literally and figuratively. It's crazy because I have wanted to, obviously, I see myself doing 10 things, you know, and I think together we've switched roles. Lot big reveals I'm dropping here, big reveal, but I feel like wo role switch hua hai, you know, of what you would expect me to do, you will not hear this here on this album. Ye matlab we've all, if we were a band together, you don't know who's doing what, and that is, I think.
So tell me something. So you obviously you opened for Udyan. You've looked up to Udyan. You've seen you know, Udyan stuff while you were learning how to make stuff, right? By the way, Udyan is Nuclear, guys. We know him as Udyan also, right? So you've seen him, you know, growing up, so to say, right? What was it bizarre to work with him? Because it can be intimidating because, you know, he's Nuclear. So when Nuclear makes a suggestion, it's Nuclear suggestion. You know,
Absolutely,
it's
absolutely.
not just some guy saying this will make the song better. It's the guy who's
Yeah,
made you dance and made you learn,
yeah,
saying that this is what will
yeah.
make the song better. So how do you deal with that in a collaboration?
Extremely hard, Tanmay. Extremely hard when it comes to just communicating basic things. I'm just
Yeah.
like, oh my god, because we are officially collaborating, and honesty is obviously a very major
Hmm.
key when you are, because right now I'm looking at us as a band, and it's so crazy because this guy has been a mentor, has been a friend, and obviously he's such an honest guy, and it's so easy to work with him. So that because of him, it's been easy. But I know that it's been very intimidating for me to deal with. Just the fact that okay, I'm like I told him this a bunch of times, like last week also. I'm like, but then I don't think I'm still like processing this right ki ho raha hai. Ye finally ho raha hai. When I started making music, obviously we were all, I was in like 11th standard, 10th standard when I was like dancing to Bass Rani when Bass Rani came out. So fast forward to now when we have an album together, it's crazy. It's crazy. And apart from the fact that there's a personal just big connect, the fact that you have somebody who revolutionized,
Hmm.
dance
Hmm.
music. The way we've looked at dance music is like the man changed it, and in whatever
Yeah.
way I came about and did whatever I did and with Indian pop or whatever you want to say, I think together it's just such an exciting. I think I'm on a loop where I keep saying that the sound is so exciting, and I can't wait. I can't wait for people to
Yeah.
hear.
Someone in the comments has guessed the collaboration, but I'm not going to tell you which one. By the way, Ritviz, I am so excited to mispronounce all 21 new songs while
I
singing. I'm
हम
mega
बैठ के
excited.
हम बैठ के I have made sure that this is my, like I have gone overboard with lyricism at this point. Like I'm like रुकेंगे नहीं. We will deep dive into Urdu.
Hmm.
We will deep dive into Urdu and find a new world. I
Feels
think
it.
I'm just like,
I've seen your Urdu. I've seen your Urdu. I think, guys, I think we all will agree that thank fuck Seedhe Maut is here to figure the lyrics out. All right? Because the heavy lifting is being done by them, and you can tell.
नहीं नहीं मैं तभी बर्बाद करूंगा. I'm here to ruin it. I'm here to like just mess with everybody's head. आपको in the box stuff नहीं मिलेगा. You are not going to get conventional at all. आपको नहीं
Yeah.
मिलेगा, ये मैं promise करता हूँ. Whether you enjoy it or not, it is gonna like and obviously Tanmay, you've heard most of it. The Udayan album is still in process, and I'm still writing music as we speak.
Yeah.
Um,
So something cool about your albums, right, is that they always have great artwork also. And I've been told that Shantanu has made the artwork again this time.
yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, you
He's
gave
our
a little
guy.
bit of a teaser last night when you posted it.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. We're gonna drop that
and
now.
something cool is happening, which is that Shantanu is going to release all the artworks of Ritviz's upcoming album as NFTs. They're actually out on the WazirX NFT store right now. So if you guys want to go check it out, you should go look
Yeah.
up Shantanu's artwork for Ritviz's upcoming album. It's out
जी
as
हाँ,
NFTs, and you guys
जी
should
हाँ.
go definitely check it out. Shout out to Shantanu. He's best in the biz. Always excited to see what he comes up with
Woohoo!
for your albums.
Yes, sir.
Another quick reminder for you guys, there's a pinned comment here. If you want to listen to music before it comes out, fill out this Google form. It's likely crashed, but if you want to save the link, just save it when it comes back up. When Google servers are figured out, you guys can probably do it again. Ritviz, let's
Yeah,
do a quick recap. Two
yeah.
albums,
Two albums.
2021,
2021.
21 songs in both albums combined.
Yes.
All coming out from August before the end of the year in 21 weeks.
21 weeks. Every
We,
week.
we will see about that.
One song every week.
One album with the one and only, the legendary duo, Seedhe Maut. It's going
जी
to
हाँ.
be a Ritviz X Seedhe Maut album with Ritviz melody and Seedhe Maut rap. Can't wait to see it.
Beautiful.
This album is going to make you weak. It's going to make you weep. And just when you think you can't handle another song, drops Ritviz X Nuclear. Album
जी
number
हाँ.
2.
जी हाँ. जी हाँ.
Can't tell you how many songs are here, but it's Ritviz X Nuclear. Whatever songs they are, they're going to make you dance. All right? It's all dropping starting August, Ritviz. Do we have a
जी हाँ.
beginning date?
Yeah. I think starting August, we're talking every week, and I need you to know that I'm saying this on live. We have 3-4 thousand people here listening. Spread the word that हर हफ्ते आपको एक गाना मिलेगा हमारे तरफ से.
और हर हफ्ते नहीं आएगा तो कमेंट में मचा देना, मतलब एकदम ही, right? He's gone out on a limb against everyone's advice, including mine, saying don't promise every week, but he has said it now.
I
On
think
World Music Day, Ritviz has made a dramatic commitment.
it's a very dramatic commitment, and I'll tell you why. I think one of the things that always would like be like, मतलब ये मतलब बस टीज करते रहता है ये बंदा, ठीक है. And I've obviously like lived that side of the कि हम लोग ने बस 10 गाने निकाले हैं 3 सालों में. You know, in 3 years I put out what 10 songs, I think. You know, more or less.
Yeah, but they're all beautiful songs. Huh? Don't diminish yourself. Also, they're all lovely songs. And but I'm excited because there's at least 20 more songs that are going to be added to all-time greatest hits on
I
this
hope
next
so.
2 albums.
जी.
And it's going to be a big part of IG Reels. You guys can't miss the album. Just trust me on it. When it comes out, you're going to be listening to it everywhere. Big announcement on World Music Day. Ritviz, thank you for making me a part of
Thank
this.
you, Tanya.
And of course, most importantly, thank you for giving me 21 new songs that I can use in my vlogs. So
ये
that's going to
आपके
be great.
vlogs ही के लिए तो बन रहे हैं. That's you know
That's true.
that's
That's
you know
true.
it. You know it.
Okay, after this album is out, you have to finish Pew 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 because there's no other excuse left.
That's not happening. That's not happening. Nope. Nope. Okay,
All right,
fine.
on that note,
All
let's
right.
end this IG Live.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby. Love you.
Bye.
Chat soon. Thank you guys for joining. Jao message karo. Can't wait for August. Let him know
जी
you
हाँ.
guys are